When do they actually need to worry about taxes?
You're making money. If you're starting out a side hustle and you have yet to make a sale, don't worry about it. Make money first. And if it becomes something that you can see turning into something larger, then it's time to have those conversations. There is a course I put together called the starter course, and it diverges into two tracks. It gives you a little bit of basics, and then it says, okay, if you have a day job and have a side hustle, you go to this module, and if you're just full on, full time in your own thing, go to this module. So the thing about side hustles is that, once you are doing something with the intent of making profit, that's again, it comes back to that intent thing, is that then it allows for potentially more interesting tax strategy. Because if you just have a day job where you're working for somebody else, you get a W-2, and that's it, there's very limited things you can do. You can contribute to an IRA or 401k or something like that. Once you have a business, it becomes a lot more interesting, and you have a lot more flexibility as what you could potentially do. You can turn travel into a business expense as long as business is the primary purpose. There are things to think about at that point. But if you're just getting started and you don't even know if you can make a sale, then don't worry about it. Make some money first, and then we can, even if it's just the first $100 or whatever, if you can start to have that intent and show that you are trying to make money with this, then it's time to worry about tax stuff. Because not necessarily owing taxes, because if you made $100, your tax bill is going to be very little. You can potentially leverage that to your advantage to actually pay less in taxes. So that's where it starts to get interesting.